Accurate testing is essential. But did you know that with South Dakota Ag Labs, testing is a lot easier than you might think? Our process is simple, straightforward, and affordable. You send us your sample and we'll produce a detailed report for you. This video shows some basic instructions for our most common sample types. For more detailed instructions on drawing your own samples, please refer to our website or give us a call. Before you begin, be sure to wear proper protective attire, and please work safely while drawing samples. Please note that in all instances for any type of testing, it will be helpful for you to write a location and date on each sample for your records and to track data from your testing results. Also, it is advisable to take samples from many locations of the test area to ensure a submitted sample is most indicative of the mean. And when looking to test for an average, be sure to mix the test medium thoroughly while drawing samples for submission. Water testing in liquids. While a sterile new container is preferred, you can certainly take your sample in a common plastic bottle. If you choose to take your sample in a recycled container, please be sure to rinse the bottle first. If the sample is taken from a tap, please let the water run for 20 to 30 seconds to aid in a more accurate sample of the incoming source water. If the samples are taken from an open body of water, please try to take samples that you feel are most indicative of the area you are testing, and again, from as many areas as you feel are illustrative of the desired test area. If you are sampling a stream or open body of water, it is not necessary to agitate the bed to cloud the sample. Solid and semi-solid materials. For most solids, such as soil and animal tissue testing, a clean, plastic sealable container is recommended. When testing soil or bales, please use a proper probe. You may be able to borrow probes from your local farm service office or extension office, or purchase them from an ag supplier. We also have links to suppliers on our site. If the sample is semi-liquid, such as liquid manure or gels, please make sure the container is leak-proof and sealed tightly. For hay and silage, a sealed plastic bag is preferred. When sampling silage and feed, it is recommended to get in as deep as possible into the pile. When sampling from a silo, take a sample with each feeding and after a few days mix the samples to be more illustrative of the actual nutritional values. Please note, when testing plant tissue and forage samples for pesticide and herbicide, use a clean paper bag. Using plastic bags when testing for pesticide and herbicide can compromise the test results. Shipping and handling. In most cases, timing matters. The sooner you get your sample to us, the better. You can simply drop your sample off at our lab sample check-in, located at Brookings Biospace, Suite 105, 1006 32nd Avenue, Brookings, South Dakota, or ship them to the same address. If you need expedited or rush testing, please be sure to call us before sending the sample so we can make sure to process it accordingly. So as you see, testing is easy and our process is very straightforward. For specific costs for each type of test, please review our price schedule on our website or call us for more details. We test for a wide variety of products in many industries, from private sector agricultural to corporate and governmental entities. We have tests for many types of products and have developed many tests for distinct analysis depending on specific client needs. Please feel free to contact us anytime to find out more about our testing portfolio, or if you have questions about taking your specific sample. Agricultural, commercial, and analytic testing from South Dakota Ag Labs, because knowledge is money.